morning. Hi, my name is Warren. Today I'm going to show you how to create your music by using the Noteflight application. First, you have to go on www.noteflight.com, and then you need to sign up your account. Okay, so this is my account. Okay, so this is all my song. To create a song, you press the upper left corner here. There. Choose this one, the top one. Then you will press OK. And okay. As for me, I already know what to write and I play it on the piano. The title of the song that I want is Fun in the Circus. Because I imagine that there's a funny clown and it made the children so happy. With a lot of games, balloons. Played on the piano. Now it's time to put it on the Noteflight. Let's start now. Write the title. My title is Fun in the Circus. Fun in the Circus. Composer Joseph. My name Vijaya. Time to start to write the note. So, start from here, and then now I just need a sharp. If you want to have a sharp or flat, you can use a keyboard. Press the keyboard, and then it goes in sol sharp or la flat, sol sharp, and then I also can press the white key. Just continue. It automatically flat or sharp. And then one more. Okay, start from me. And then to change quaver, first you press the first note, and then you want to change quaver. So you can see in the upper left here, you can see all the bits like quaver, semi-quaver, crotchet, minim. And you want the other minim, so you add minim and dot and then the semi-brief. I want a quaver now. Now you can press the note again. This is my completed music score. You can explore yourself. It is pretty easy. So let me show you my song. So how to play it is in the upper left corner you can see a play button, you just press it. Done. As for me, I love to compose my own song. I hope you can try composing your music too. Fun in the Circus.